So I have 3 different plants here. It's romaine lettuce, this is kale, and this is a head lettuce. It's 4 seasons. Started these for the growing beyond earth. I checked on Google the spacing for these. I want to use about a 12-inch spacing between plants, and then I'm going to space the rows 2 feet apart so I can get the tiller up and down, and that way I can cultivate easily. The plant spacing I'm going to accomplish using my trowel, and it measures about a foot, so that's going to be a good length. And then I'm going to put the lettuce in one row and the kale in a separate row, because I'll get several cuttings of the kale, but I only get 1 cutting on the lettuce. Once I take that out, then I can put something else. But if I mix it with kale, then I won't be able to replace the entire row. Garden worked up nice, so I'm not going to worry about raking it out. It wouldn't hurt if I decided to. One common mistake I see young gardeners make, they'll try and dig the plants out of the cell pack. It really, if you turn it upside down and pop it out, well rooted, it'll just come out in one piece. Switch to the romaine, and then I might not have a full row, but it's a lot of lettuce. It'll all come ripe at once. Farmers markets aren't open yet, so I really don't have any use for it other than just our personal family use. That's the first row planted in 2020 on St. Patrick's Day.